Hey guys, this is GeekOut everything and we are back with the video guys, and in this video we are gonna look at this Mivi Duopods M20, which also called wireless freedom or something. So guys, in this video we are gonna look at these and I'm gonna do the unboxing first and then we'll move on to the review itself. And guys, as you can see at the back of this box we have some quick specs like true high fidelity stereo, but we will see about that. And it also has play tone, long battery life, noise cancellation, which is passive noise cancellation, and IP X5 certification, so it means it is splash proof, which is a really nice thing. And the pricing is 3000 on the box, but you can get it from Amazon, not Amazon but Flipkart or Mivi official website for around 2000 rupees. So that's the price for these earphones. And guys, the box is actually really nice. It is actually pretty minimalistic kind of design, and yeah, the unboxing experience is actually really good. So yeah, so let me just guys open it and we'll see what is hidden under the hood. So guys, first thing first, we have this user no, this is not the user manual but warranty information card, and we also have some accessories. Let me just open it and see what is hidden. So yep, we have a micro USB cable to charge it up. You can use this or any cable lying around your house, you can use that one also. And we also have some extra ear tips, so yeah, that's nice. These are actually 2 extra pairs of ear tips in case you want to change it. And the micro USB cable is actually pretty simple, nothing special about it. So yep, this is the main thing, the earphones itself. And we also have user manual, but guys, who's gonna read that? So let me just focus on the earphones itself. So yeah, and guys, the case is actually magnetic, which is a really nice thing. In this price range, most of this kind of true wireless earphones have that lock system, but I don't like that. The magnet is love, guys. So yeah, these are the earphones itself. And guys, the first thing that I want to say is that they are actually really light, so you don't have to worry about the weight and stuffs. And yeah, that's actually what it is. We have a Mivi branding at the front, and yep, so this is the case itself. The case is actually made up of plastic, obviously, and yeah, that's about it. And these are the earphones itself. And guys, the size of these earphones is guys, it's average. And guys, in terms of build quality of these earphones, the build quality is good but not the best I've seen. They are made up of plastic, and the plastic is also not that great. It's average quality plastic, and so you have to be careful, guys. Just don't step on them. If they just casually fall down or something, then nothing is gonna happen. But if you accidentally step on them, then good luck, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah, that's about the the build quality. And in terms of looks, they actually looks pretty good. Nothing wrong with that. So in terms of looks, they are actually really nice looking earphones, as they have a that minimalistic kind of design and nothing fancy and stuff. So this is the case itself. As you can see, we have a micro USB port at the back, so you can charge it up. And the charging time of this case is, guys, around hour or 1.5 hours, maximum 1.5 hours. And we also have these 4 LEDs at the front. So if you want to know about the battery, how much battery is left in your case, then you can just look at it and it will tell you. It's just like a power bank, guys. And they also have some gestures, like they have a capacitive back. So we also have some cool gestures, like if you just double tap, it will jump you to the next track, or if you just single tap, play, pause, and that kind of stuff, which is really nice considering the price point of these earphones. I really like that. And there's nothing like sometimes it works or sometimes not, it doesn't. They actually works every time, and this is the best thing about these earphones, guys. I'm really impressed with the the gesture functionality in this kind of price range, which is really nice. And guys, in terms of the battery life of these earphones, the battery life which was quoted on the box was 4 hours, but you will actually get 3 to 3.5 hours of battery life, which is really nice in my opinion. So yeah, now if I just talk about the sound quality of these earphones, guys, then the sound quality is good but not the best I've seen. They have a really increased low end uh, and there's a lack of high end, which means there's lack of clarity in the sound. There's, you know, and the bass is also not that much, guys. So in terms of the sound quality, I would give them 6 out of 10, which is average sound quality. But if you really want true wireless earphones in you know, at the budget range, then these are actually really good. So if you want to buy them, I have the link in the description down below. So if you want to buy them, buy from that link. It does help the channel, guys. And so yeah, that's it for this video. Now if you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what to do, guys. But if you like, then get subscribed. Please hit the subscribe button, guys, and see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.